Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are learning how to introduce yourself in Samoan. The first thing that you're going to want to do when you introduce yourself in Samoan is to tell somebody your name. So we would say that o lo'o ingoa o moena, o lo'o ingoa o moena. So o lo'o is my, ingoa is name. Make sure not to use the respectful term suafa. So suafa is respectful in terms of you use that respect to give to other people. You do not use it for yourself. If you use it for yourself, you're seen as being a bit pious or up yourself. We don't want that. Do not do that. So we use the word ingoa when we're referring to ourselves. So o lo'o ingoa o, and then I said moena because that's my name, and you would use whatever your name is. And that is how we introduce ourselves in Samoan. Introductions go further than just your name. So we're also going to include I am from wherever you're from. So o te sao mai melepone, o te sao mai melepone. You could also use o te sao mai ausitalia, ausitalia, ausitalia. O te sao mai ausitalia. So I've just said I come from Melbourne, Melepone, or I come from Australia, Ausitalia. So Ote means me. I. Sao mai is come from, and then you're going to put the name. You can even use the English word. So if you don't know how to say New Zealand in Samoan, you would just say o te sao mai New Zealand. If you don't know how to say France in Samoan, you would say o te sao mai France. Just in case you're wondering, New Zealand in Samoan is New Sila, and France in Samoan is Falani. Another thing you're going to want to use, another Samoan phrase you're going to want to use when you are introducing yourself is how old you are. So, ua o whasefulu fitu tausanga. Ua o whasefulu fitu tausanga. So, ua o is referring to me, and then whasefulu fitu is the age, the number, so that's 47, and then tausanga is years. So, I am 47 years old. You don't, yeah. So you would change the number whasefulu fitu to whatever age you are, whether it's tasi lua tolu whalima ona fitu whalu iwa sefulu, 1 to 10, or bigger. Yeah. So that is how you say your age. You're probably going to be asked who your parents are. So when you're introducing yourself, you're also going to want to know how to say my mom is so-and-so and my dad is so-and-so. So let me show you. O lo'u tina o Ada. O lo'u tina o Ada. So o lo'u is me. Excuse me. My tina is mum, and then o Ada is my mum's name, Ada. O lo'u tina o Ada. So that's my mum. And then if you're going to say dad, o lo'u tama o tuiasau. O lo'u tama o tuiasau. So again, o lo'u is me, tama is dad, and then his name. So you would change the names. When you're introducing yourself, you often get asked whether you have brothers or sisters. And this one is a little bit more difficult. I've got an actual video, which I'll put up here, that tells you when to use uso, tuangane, or tuafafine. So watch that video so that you understand which one. I'm going to be talking on the standpoint of a female talking about, their brother and sister. So from a female point of view. O te iai tasi uso ma tasi tuangane. I have o te iai tasi, one, uso sister, because you use uso, watch the video. Tasi uso, tasi tuangane, one brother, one sister. So I'm going to explain to you one sentence that you can use after answering or introducing yourself. So if someone had asked you what your name is and you just said it, if you don't know how to ask someone what their name is, you could say "Aia oi, how about you?" This is especially good when you're trying to have the back and forth conversation about how you're doing. So "Aia oi, what about you?" Whawhai te lava, and thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, please like the video and subscribe so that we can bring you more videos in the future. We just want to test you out. Make sure that you've been paying attention, because we know that sometimes you can zone out. So what is the Samoan word for name when you're talking about yourself? The Samoan word for name when you're talking about yourself, not other people, but yourself. If you do not know, please rewind and rewatch so that you can learn. Yes. Again, whawhai te lava, and tofa soifua.